Hey, hi guys, welcome. This is Somsi Reddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am continuing the Python playlist in English. Up to now, I have completed up to functions. I think so. So, in this video, I am going to discuss about the OOPS concepts. What is mean by OOPS concept? Object-oriented programming language or object-oriented programming. These are the OOPS concepts. Why the OOPS is very important? What are the things and there in the OOPS? What is the meaning of OOPS concepts? I will explain each and everything in this video. And there is about the OOPS concept. There is some up to 4 to 5 videos. You can go through. I have used some examples and I can make examples on the OOPS concepts also. You can clearly understand about the OOPS concepts. Okay, let's begin the video. At first, OOPS. Python is also an object-oriented language since its beginning. Because why its names of beginning means from the some languages are like I don't want to mention something like they are some languages have OOPS added the OOPS concepts of the development states, but Python inbuilt only it can at the starting of only it can develop the OOPS concepts. Okay. So that's why it is Python OOPS object-oriented language since beginning. Okay, next it allows us to develop the applications using an object-oriented approaches. It helps to develop the applications. So many applications are developed by the OOPS concepts only. When you are the machine learning, you want to know by using PyTorch in deep learning. It is totally depend upon the class models, class methods. Not on function based models. It's totally depend upon the class methods. So they are useful development applications. Okay, what are the Python OOPS concepts? Topics are the first one is class, object and method, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction and encapsulation. These are the 7 steps. What are the OOPS concepts are in the Python OOPS concepts. Every day I will explain about each and every concept step by step and everything. Okay, in this today video I will explain about what is mean by class and what is mean by object. Okay, let's start about class. Okay, to define the class we can use a keyword class. By using the keyword class we can define the class. We can pass one of the method and at the end of this identifier we can give the colon. Okay, if a new class is a child class, you will have to enclose a parent class, then parentheses. If you have a new class that is a child, and if we have you want to close the parent class with the parentheses, at the time only when you have closed the with parentheses the class, it is known as parent class to write a new classes. Okay, a class name is also in the uppercase. You want to write the class name in uppercase. Okay, that is the most things you want to do in writing the class. And the next one is the class definition is usually followed by the decorators, which provides a short description of a class. Okay, now what is mean by decorators? Decorator, docstring. Yeah, it's a docstring. So docstring is used for the description. What are the things you are writing? What are the things you are doing in this class? That will help you to write in between the doc screen. I will show one example. You can clearly understand about this. This is a class which I use the keyword. This is a keyword, and this is the identifier which is used. This is a simple class model, and I have end with a colon. And this is a doc strings which is a 3 quotations. Between that I created a new class. This is a and I will do the pause statement. Okay, and this is the example of class. Okay, I hope you have understand about the class and how to write the class and what are the things are under the class. And now we are going to objects. The class can be used to create an instance of a new class, creating an object in a different form of making a function call. Why we use the objects? Objects are used to calling the function of class. If you have given example like in a section there is a lot of number of students. Someone has according to the names, roll numbers. By using the object, by using the name, if the persons are like Kiran, Vamsi, Nikhil, something is there, but they can speak. If you want to call the Kiran, if you want to speak call the Vamsi, you want to call the Nikhil, like that you want to give an object. Student is a student, there is a name is an object. So like that it is used to call the class method, calling the function which are used to create a very class. Okay, I hope you understand about the class and object. And the next I will give a small example. This is a small example which I have created on class and object. Okay, I am input in a class from, it is a keyword, and a student is an where with end with the colon, and the name is equals to code, and roll number is equals to 1 2 3 4. I am calling the object. I am calling object is equals to calling the function as a student. Student is a class function, instant class. So I want calling that. Oh, where under the student there is a name and roll number. So object dot name, I will get the code, because I have written a name is equals to code. So that's why calling function as name is equals to, it will output is code, and like that only I have called the roll number. It execute 1 2 3 4. So class basically it's simply we can say that for the class is a objecting of calling function of a new class or a class. It is used to calling the function of a class. What are the things that are under the class, what are the things we have written on the class. By using the object we can call all the class functions. Okay, I hope you have understand about this video. Do you want to know about data science? Please like, subscribe and follow to our YouTube channel. More updates about the data science. Okay, bye friends, take care.